Hey, it's Ray here, and today I am back to talk about one of my favorite subjects, Movo. And the reason why? Well, because we've got a little package here that we're going to open up and take a look on the inside to see what they've sent us today. We had a package last week, and it had some really cool stuff in it, so we're going to see what we got this time. So this is another big package here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this sucker open and see what they've got for us this time. I have a feeling I know what it is. And it's not this beautiful mug that they sent last time, and it's not this beautiful hat that they sent last time either. But let's see what we've got. Oh, I sliced myself. Just kidding. All right, here we go. Let's pop this bad boy open here. And again, we've got lots of paper. Now, last time, believe it or not, in the video, I went through and we said we had all that paper in there. And come to find out, there was that mug that I just showed was in there, and I didn't even notice it until I went to get rid of the box. And I said, wait a minute, there's something in that paper. And sure enough, not only had they sent me a hat, they also sent me a mug. And so let's get this sucker open. There we go. All right. Ooh, I see a few things inside of here. Look at this. All right. Now let's see what we've got going on here. Keep that. Don't need that. All right, look at it. Ooh, we got a lot of stuff in here. Well, first, wow. Well, what do you know? Look at this. We've got a professional podcasting microphone. That's what I wanted to say. Their voiceover studio microphone and windscreen. So the idea behind this is that we're going to replace our RE20, which is a very expensive microphone that I have. It's right here. We're actually going to replace that with this Movo, which is the VSM-5, and it has the nice the pop filter on there already. So that's kind of cool, and you can see it it attaches through a nice shock mount. So we're going to see how all that works out here. And let's see what else we got here. Well, it looks like we have a second one in here. Well, that's kind of cool. I wasn't expecting two of them. VSM-5. Wow. All right. So that's going to be fun. And finally, what do we got here? We've got an extender arm. Boom. And another extender arm. So we're going to be able to, we're going to have two microphones and two extender arms that we can test out. So that's going to be kind of fun. And maybe what we'll have to do, because I probably won't have a need for two of them in here, maybe we'll do another giveaway where we give away one of these here. We'll have to wait and see how we set these things up. But for now, I just wanted to do the quick open box. We've got this great microphone and the windscreen in there along with the arm extenders. So we'll be doing a video on these and see how they work compared to our old RE20 here, which, by the way, the RE20 is, it's great. It's a great microphone. So we will see how this does when we put a new one in here. And ironically, just happened today, I've got a whole new desk that's coming in. And the reason for that is you can see the glass desk back there, which is actually pretty nice, but I've had it for, I was thinking about it the other day, about 25 years. And that goes, it's very similar to the one here, but you'll notice if I touch this desk, kind of shakes the whole thing. And so after 25 years, the thing's starting to get a little wobbly. So I've got a brand new desk. It's going to be a standing desk. And the one back there is also going to be a standing desk. So I can literally raise both of them up and do the shows standing up or sitting down. And that'll give me an opportunity to put the arm on the new desk and try out this baby right here. So look forward for that video. This is just the open box. And you know what? Why are we doing this? Why don't we open the actual box here too? In typical Movo fashion, we've got the happy stickers, or the not happy sticker. We got a Movo sticker. Got a nice little pamphlet for the microphone. And let's see, let's get this bad boy opened here. Try to do this without dropping it. There we go. All right, so nice big piece of foam to protect it there. Comes with the XLR cord. That's nice. Wasn't sure if it would or not. Thankfully it does. And here is the unit. So this is a very different kind of unit from the one that we have now. And what I mean by that is with the RE20, if I bring it in front of the camera here, you'll see it's the kind that you literally point at your own mouth here. And this is the more traditional looking modern radio design where you're talking into the front of the microphone. So kind of like that. And so we're going to be putting that on the arm, and we will be testing that out shortly once we get the new desk in. The new desks should be set up today, and then we'll be able to test out the microphones. So look forward to that. The arm I won't pull out because there's probably a lot of parts in there, and it's an arm. Hopefully a good one. But we will test that out as well. So enjoy this and look forward to us testing the actual microphone in the near future, along with all of our other great videos. And we hope you have a great rest of the week. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the Movo microphones, especially this new one here, then post them down below. We'd be glad to hear your comments about these products and all of Movo's products and all the video products we talk about. So do that. Give us a comment down below. And of course, hit the like button and the share button and save button and every button that you can find on there, because we need as many as we can get. All right, this is Ray signing out.